How's it going, guys? Angus here from Maker's Muse. So there's a certain hour or so every day when I can't record voiceovers or use any audio in my videos because of this. As the sun starts setting and we start transitioning from the evening to the night, the birds roost and settle down and they go bonkers. And we just had a little bit of rain, so they're extra bonkers right now. And I thought, look, I'm used to this. I love Australia's wildlife. But you've probably never seen these animals, and I do have a passion for the bird life here in Australia. So I thought it'd be really fun to share with you the sights and sounds of Australian bird life here in Sydney. Enjoy.